Key lime tart, everybody. This is one of the most delicious, easiest recipes you'll ever make. There's how many ingredients in the crust?
2.
There's 2 ingredients in the crust, 3 ingredients in the filling.
Yep.
And it's key lime, pure key lime. It's delicious. So,
Trust the process.
believe in yourself.
Let's sweeten things up.
Next up.
Okay guys, we're gonna start with the crust. And what you want is you want a tart pan like, it's got a removable bottom. So I'll set that aside. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this. This is a Stroopwafel pie crust mix. You can absolutely use graham crackers in this, as you can see in the recipe, but you will have to add sugar and a little less butter. So anyway, you wanna start with your Stroopwafel crumbs, add your butter.
Melted butter.
Melted, excuse me, you can see that. Sorry. And then just get those brought together. So that's it. This one's pretty well put together.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this started over here then.
Go
And
ahead.
we'll get the sweetened condensed milk into a medium-sized mixing bowl.
In the meantime, I'm going to be putting this crust together, just like a graham cracker crust. You just want to moosh it around.
And now we're going to put, it's key lime, correct? Key lime juice.
Lime juice. I'm going to push this up the sides, guys.
And now we're going to add 3 egg yolks. And so we're just going to go ahead and whisk these 3 ingredients together till it looks smooth. Okay, mine is all incorporated and smooth and ready to be put into the crust.
Yeah, we gave her the easy job.
Yeah.
She actually should have had this one because she's more patient than this. All right, guys, here is the crust.
Wonderful
Fresh
crust.
from over there.
You did really good, bud.
Thank you. I like it a little.
Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and put this filling I put together into this crust. All right, there we go. So now it's just in the preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. It's just going to, if you jiggle it, it says it's just going to be a little jiggly in the middle, and that's when it's done.
Kind of like a cheesecake.
Yeah.
Like a standard cheesecake.
Yeah.
Okay, now, but remember guys, this bottom lifts up, so grab it by the sides and the very edge.
Yeah.
If not, you're gonna lift the whole pan out. So, okay,
Yeah.
let's give this, 15 minutes. All right, guys, here is the tart.
And that took exactly the 15 minutes, and it turned out perfect. What we're going to do now is just let it cool on the counter till it gets about room temperature. Then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours.
Correct.
Overnight.
It's done, everybody. How easy was that? I mean, come on now. I say it a lot, and I mean it a lot, but I mean it this way. 2 ingredients in the crust, 3 ingredients in the filling. And look at that.
The worst thing is just the wait time, just waiting for it to solidify.
Yeah,
in the
and honestly,
fridge.
for such a simple dessert, you gotta wait 4 hours total time. So anyway, let's try this. Ooh, that'll bring your cheeks in a little bit.
That's limey.
Oh, that Stroopwafel's pretty good too.
That is. I forgot we did use the Stroopwafel
Yeah.
crust instead of graham.
Anyway,
Trust the process.
believe in yourself.
Have a great day.
We will see you next time.
See ya.
Enjoy the tart. Enjoy the tart. It's a good tart. That's a good tart.
Bye bye.